Hi team, welcome to our Sunbather pool solar heating system. So this is very important. Our pool pump and solar controller are plugged in together. Our solar controller has our solar pump plugged into the bottom. What that means is when there's pool water operating or cycling, turn on solar controller. If solar controller is on and available heat on the roof by pushing the enter button, we've got the R21. When we have a 6-degree differential, when in auto, it'll turn on the solar pump. So if there's not enough heat or a 6-degree differential, that won't turn on. Up and down is our set temperature. So we're going to set that higher. We're going to set it on 33 in our shoulder seasons. As we get into the season, we will obviously dial that down. To connect to the app, you simply turn the system off, power off the controller, which is attached to the pool pump, or turn off the chlorinator. Turn on the system. After we download our SunSwitch Sunbather app, then you'll be able to link the system. Once linked, it'll be on your mobile. If you've got Wi-Fi in this shed, then you'll be able to connect to Wi-Fi. And then you've got mobile app control. At the end of the season, rather than turning the system off, we're going to put it into winter mode. We can simply select winter mode on our app. We do have a couple of valves, new valves here. So we've got the two-way valve, we've got a two-way return over there that's partially closed. Never touch that one. This is our non-return valve. Any questions, just give Justin or the team a call or email. Descriptions are below.